students, today we are going to discuss a very important topic of mathematics part 2, chapter number 1, differentiation. Okay, so first of all we see the main definition of differentiation. If we can take a function y equal to fx, then we take its derivative, that is y dash equal to f dash of x, or we write this dy dx of y, that is y dash f dash of x, is equal to limit at h tend to 0 f of x plus h minus fx upon h. Okay, so this is called first principal formula of derivative. Now we have one note. If we take an increment delta x and delta y with respect to x and y, then in limiting form we can write limit x delta x tends to 0 del y by del x is equal to dy by dx. Okay, in this way. Now we can discuss one by one all the formulas of derivative. Okay, so derivative of some standard function. So if we take y equal to x, then its derivative dy by dx is equal to 1. But before this we can write a very important formula, that is dy by dx of x to the power n, that is n derivative n into x to the power n minus 1. So this is one. Then second one, if we can take derivative of some constant function c, then it is always 0. Then third one, derivative of x, as I told earlier, dy dx of x is 1 by putting n equal to 1 in this value. Then dy dx of under root of x is equal to 1 upon 2 root x. Then by using same formula, dy dx of 1 by x, that is equal to minus 1 upon x square. Okay, by using this formula, because this term is x to the power minus 1 and we get this value. Okay, then derivative of some standard trigonometric function, that is derivative of sin x is cos x, derivative of cos x minus sin x, then derivative of tan x, that is sec square x, then derivative of sec x, that is sec x into tan x, then derivative of cot x minus cosec square x, then derivative of cosec x minus cosec x into cot x. Okay, So these are some standard formulae. Now we see derivative of some exponential as well as logarithmic function. Okay. So next, our next formula, derivative of e to the power x is same e to the power x, then derivative of log of x is equal to 1 upon x, derivative of log base a of x is equal to 1 upon x into log of a. Also, derivative of a to the power x is equal to a to the power x into log of a. Okay, then we discuss some rules of differentiation. Okay, as you are studying in earlier or in standard 11, okay, that is addition rule, then subtraction rule, then multiplication rule, then division rule. Okay, so in addition and subtraction we can take function u plus minus v, then we find its derivative dy by dx equal to du by dx plus minus dv by dx. Okay, so this is applicable for both addition and subtraction. Then we solve for multiplication. Okay, so if we take a function y equal to u into v, and if we take its derivative, then you write here in this way u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. This is multiplication rule. Then fourth is division. For this you have to consider y equal to u upon v, our function. So we take its derivative dy by dx is equal to v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx upon v square. Okay, then so these are some fundamental rules of differentiation. Now we discuss our main topic, that is derivative of some composite functions. So what is derivative of composite function? This is main, that is function of another function. So this is our main sentence, that is important word composite. What is composite? That is function of another function. If we take simple function y equal to sin x, y equal to tan x, or e to the power x, and etc. So these are some simple trigonometric function. Okay, but in composite function we can take function of another function, right? So we can write our composite, that is function of another function, in this way, that is y equal to log of cos of x, then y equal to e to the power tan x, y equal to log of sin of x, or cos of e to the power x plus 1, etc. means function of function. So these are some important example and concept of derivative of composite function. Okay, so now we discuss